Welcome, today in front of me LENOVO Tab P12 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So first you should open the Google application, and after that click on this icon, then tap to the settings and go to the voice section. After that click to voice match, and to activate Hey Google we should click once on the switcher. After that click to the next, yes I agree, continue, and now we should here add our voice model, so click to Retrain voice model and say okay Google, okay Google, hey Google, hey Google. After that just click here to finish, and now when we'll say hey Google or okay Google, so we can see that the Google Assistant Hey Google Assistance feature is activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.